So you'd like to visit the White House in Washington, D.C. It might not be as hard as you think, and here's how we did it. Keep in mind, this is not a way to secure a meeting with the president. This only gets you into the White House for a self-guided tour. The first thing you'll need to do is have a plan for when you expect to be in Washington, D.C. and available for your White House tour. Once you know this, you have anywhere from 7 to 90 days prior to your date or dates to schedule your tour. Next, you'll want to visit www.whitehouse.gov/visit. Click the Book a Tour button in the middle of the page and you'll find the current members of Congress. Once you've found your current congressman, click on their name and you'll find their contact information. For us, we called our congressman's office and made our request with dates and number of people in our party. They will likely follow up with an email as they did in our case, in which you'll have 7 days to respond with more detailed information about the members in your visiting party. Once confirmed, we received an email with our date and time of visit. On the day of our visit, we took a chance and went early. They didn't question our arrival time and let us in. I'm not saying this will always work, but it did in our case. You will be required to present a valid ID for all members in your visiting party when you arrive at the security check-in at the White House. We chose to use our United States passports for ease and convenience. There is a line, but when we were there, it wasn't maybe more than 15 or 20 minutes long. Once through security, just follow the crowd and enjoy your tour. Welcome to the White House.